Yes. Now it's juice. Now we're talking. So good. We're gonna be able to just get a couple dish soap bombs. Yeah, all the cans have gone in. Babe! Shit, I don't think he could hear me. Hey Siri, text Hubs. Did you just want to order some? Bye, Siri. Hey, Siri, listen. I have been on for 2 hours now. Let me check the puzzle. Well, let me check my phone. No puzzle? Okay. I haven't had Popeyes in a while. I don't know if there's one close to me. Yes, you missed it all. I guess you missed it all while taking care of yourself. Should have known better. Nah, I don't blame. Hey Siri, text Hubs. I'm telling Siri to send the message and send. Bye, Siri. I feel this in 2 hours. Yeah. Yep. Because usually my lives be like 2 hours. I feel like the only time I take longer than 2 hours is when I'm in the pool. Like my Panalin overload. I'm probably not going to upload that. I'm not going to lie. That's 4 hours. Yes, I was like, okay, I hit 10K last December. So if I hit 10K, I started my account mid-September. So in 3 months, I hit 10K, but it took me a year to get 8 more. I know I haven't been on my shit, you know, that's why. Hey Siri, read text from Hubs. Oh, I can hear. Hey Siri, open Hubs text. Oh my god, never mind. Oh, I don't know. Hey Siri, text Hubs. Come here. Send. Yeah, I had put it on the ground. This is so good though. Like everything sold out for this live, but I do have like backup powder because I do have a jug left to go in. I'm not sure if it's gonna fit. Thank you for the follow. If y'all are new here, hit the follow. I think at 19K, I'm gonna run back the live that I did all pine liquids. And I did the green palm olive dish soap, the blue palm olive dish soap, and only Ajax cans. I'm gonna stock up on Ajax cans from Family Dollar because it's probably gonna take me a while to get to 19K. So I'm gonna stock up. Thank you, Foca. But I'm gonna mix up the thickness, and then I'll probably add the jug in. If nobody adds any cans, but yeah, remember Monica when I did the Ajax and pine? I'm gonna do that at 19K. I'm gonna run that live back because that was really good. Thank you. I seen it on Facebook. Siri wasn't reading you texting me, so I didn't know what you said.
I said I ate me ramen noodle soup, me and something like much, so I can make ramen noodle soup real quick.
When that fudged you up?
For now, yeah. I'm not with this side.
Huh?
I'm not with this side.
Oh, well, it's early, right? So we still gonna like hang out and stuff, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Wait, you still alive though?
Yeah, but I think I'm about to get on. No more cans going in. But when I hit like, every time I hit a milestone, that's when I'll add in like products on my own. Like when I hit 20K, it'll be like an appreciation live that I'll add in like some cans or whatever the heck. And like then when I hit 25K, 30K, like so on. I don't ship, girl. I only do like porch pickup. Let me check. I do have the puzzle. Thank you. Thank you for helping, cause I honestly be forgetting. What do I do? If I don't have like any porch pickups, I'll just dump it. Like the last time I had the porch pickup, Crystal, was when you came to pick up that pine from that pine combo that I did. Have you used it? Have you used that save? Girl, that was a while ago already. Y'all, if y'all new here, hit the follow. It was good, right? But I already told my chat, I'm like, I don't like save everything, but like, I save sometimes. It's a lavender fab. This is flashed up. You are so funny. And thank you, Foca, for helping out. I'll send you my lives when I'm about to go on and all the things that I normally do with my other mods. Hey, I can say. But I know sometimes like I might go live like the same time that Hilda might get on, so I know that I don't expect you to be here or like the whole time either, because I know you might not have to live hop. Thank you so much. So we got 10